Never stop growing. Never stop seeking the brightest.
Last video we had seen simple compound complex with the example. In this video I have given simple compound complex rules. You have to memorize these rules, and I have added few more examples in this video. Let's see some examples with the rules. Symbol besides, compound and complex, not only but also. If besides acts in a sentence, we can find its simple sentence. To change it into compound, we will use coordinate conjunction, and to change it into complex, we will use subordinate conjunction, not only but also. If not only but also acts in a sentence, we can find its complex sentence, and to change it into symbol, we will use besides. If you study the rules, it would be easy to change. Besides learning English, he learns Hindi. In a sentence, besides is acting. If you study the rule by looking at besides, we can find very easily this is simple sentence. And at the same time, I taught you at first video how to find simple sentence. Besides learning English, sentence is not completed. At the same time, when you are looking at first sentence, subject is not acting. Look at second sentence, he learns Hindi. Sentence is completed and subject is acting. So we find this is simple sentence. To change this sentence into compound, we have to use conjunction, coordinate conjunction, and. He learns English and Hindi. When we are changing the sentence, meaning shouldn't change. Simple sentence or compound sentence or complex sentence, all these acts in a same meaning. To change this sentence into complex, we have to use the rule not only but also. He not only learns English but also Hindi. Next example, symbol being, compound, so are and, complex as. Let's see the example. Being stout, he cannot walk fast. Being stout, குண்டாக இருப்பதனால், sentence is not completed and subject is not acting. He cannot walk fast, அவனால் வேகமாக நடக்க முடியவில்லை. So first sentence is not completed and second sentence is completed and subject is acting at second sentence. So this is simple sentence. And by looking at the being also, if you study the rule, we can find this is simple sentence. To change it into compound, we have to use so, are, and. To change it into compound, both sides sentence should be completed. In the middle, this coordinate conjunction so, are, and will act. He is stout, so he cannot walk fast. He is stout, so he cannot walk fast. அவன் குண்டாக இருக்கிறான். Sentence is completed. In the middle conjunction ஆகையால், he cannot walk fast. அவனால் வேகமாக நடக்க முடியவில்லை. So both sides sentence has been completed. To change it into complex sentence, first sentence won't be completed, second sentence will be completed. And at the first sentence, subject will act. To change it into complex, what rule we have to use? As. As mostly acts in the beginning. As he is stout, he cannot walk fast. So first sentence is not completed. அவன் குண்டாக இருப்பதனால், அவன், he is acting here. Through that we find this is complex, and if you study the rules, By looking at us also we can find this is complex sentence. Second sentence is completed. Next example, symbol, in spite of or despite of, compound, but or yet, complex, though or although or even though. In spite of her richness, she is simple. By looking at in spite of, we can find this is simple sentence. To change it into compound, we have to use but or yet. She is rich, but she is simple. Both side sentence is completed. In the middle conjunction but is acting. So this is common sentence. To change it into complex, we have to use though or although or even though. Here suitable is even though. Even though she is rich, she is simple. First sentence is not completed and subject is acting here. So this is complex sentence, and by looking at even though also we can find this is complex sentence. Next example, symbol, because of or due to or owing to, compound, so or therefore, complex, as or since. Example, because of your recommendation I gave him a job. Because of is acting, so we find this is simple sentence. To change it into compound, we have to use the rule so or therefore. You recommended him, so I gave him a job. We used the coordinate conjunction so. To change it into complex, we have to use as or since or because. As and since mostly acts in the beginning. Since you recommended, I gave him a job. Next example, symbol, having plus past participle, compound, and then or and at once. Complex, as or as soon as or after. After having, verb third form will act. Having seen the policeman, the thief ran away. See is present verb, saw is past verb, seen is past participle. We used past participle of after having. To change it into compound, we have to use coordinate conjunction and then and at once. The thief saw the policeman and at once he ran away. To change it into complex, as soon as after, we have to use. As soon as the thief saw the policeman, he ran away. Let's see next example. Symbol, to plus verb, compound, so plus not, complex, that plus not. For this rule, we have to work out more because subject will act in symbol also. Let's see example. I have no money to give you. To is acting, verb give is acting here. So we find that to plus verb. To change it into compound, we have to use so and not. I have no money, so I cannot give you. To change it into complex, we have to use that plus not. I have no money that I cannot help you. By memorizing the rules, if you work out more examples, you can give your level best. So study the rules well and take practice. Thank you for watching.